To format Google Pixel 8a, we are first going to press and hold power and volume up and keep these two held down for around 10 seconds. The screen should go fully black, and that is what we want. So once the screen is fully black, 10 seconds has passed, release from both buttons. Now press and hold power and volume down and keep these two held down until you see fast boot mode. You may need to rewind the video and press the buttons for the same duration I do if you're having problems. Now let's release from both buttons as we see fast boot mode. Then click volume up and keep on clicking until you see recovery mode. Then click the power button to select. We will see no command, so the command you want to enter is while holding the power button, click release volume up. Then we're going to click release volume down and keep on clicking until we select wipe data / factory reset and click the power button to select this one. Then click volume down and click the power button to do the factory reset, and this will format the storage.